Tell us a little bit about the other things that you're doing. You're very involved in a production company.
Yeah, I'm very lucky. I mean, I've
Content creation.
Yeah, I worked in the media for 36 years now. Started in '88, and I'm fascinated by the business. So I run an independent production company that makes my TV shows. I also now own and operate Drive Tribe, which is a digital marketing agency, content creation and distribution, which I'm absolutely loving. Just like the auto industry, the media industry is undergoing a massive sea change. It's democratized content production, which is tremendous. It's ruinous to a lot of the big channels and a lot of the big independents. Also, I run a classic car restoration workshop, which came about because there's a lovely local guy who'd restored my cars for years, running out of a little workshop locally in the country. And I used to go for Fish and Chip Friday. You familiar with fish and chips? Fabulous British dish. Quality catering. Yeah. I used to collect it on a Friday and take it over for lunch, and we'd sit there and we'd eat, and they were restoring a Jaguar E-Type of mine at the time. And he was a bit miserable. I said, what's up? So I'm losing the workshop. Well, they're developing it and I can't afford to get into another one. Oh, well, that's a tragedy. I need you to continue working on my cars. And then I said, but I'm not Jay Leno, I can't afford to employ you. And there'd be no dignity in that for you, just working for somebody off the telly. So I'll bankroll us into another workshop. If you spend half the time working on customer cars and half the time on mine, that'll balance out. That would have been a good idea. Then I thought, that might make a nice TV show, and my independent production company got it commissioned, which meant the workshop grew, so it's now quite big. But I'm loving it. I'm loving, after 30 odd years of commenting on the industry and being around the industry, I'm now in it. And it's slowly ruining me. Yep. It's the best money removal device I've ever come up with. It just gets rid of it. It's brilliant. If you wake up in the morning and you think, I've got just a few dollars too many, set up a classic car restoration business and you won't have. Nothing.